Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Brawl Stars login failed error. If seeing a login failed error, that can be frustrating, but it's usually related to a connection or account syncing. First of all, start by closing Brawl Stars. Swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for Brawl Stars and then swipe it away. Next, reopen it. Also, make sure your internet is stable and it's not switching between networks while logging in. If you're using a Supercell ID, double check that you're logged in with a correct email. First of all, open your Gmail and then see if you have got a new code there. If not, try checking your promotions and then promotions also, or your spam folders. Sometime it might get there. If login still fails, you're going to restart your phone and try again. This refreshes the system authentication services, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.